Welcome, fellow artists. I'm Ryan. This is Drawing Fun. Halloween is like my favorite holiday. So today I'm going to draw a bat. So grab a pen, pencil, marker. Let's get started. Okay, welcome. Today we're going to draw a cute little bat. Boop, 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 boop. So first, with the cute little bat, we're going to draw a big circle. You know I like big circles for the heads. I kind of sketch out the line. I'm gonna have like big, almost like a Mickey Mouse ears. I draw the shapes in first. This way I'm sure the character fits on the page. And we'll give him a little body. There's these big circles for eyes. And a smile. Alright, there he's kind of sketched out. And little wings like that. Alright, so now I've got a little sketch idea, so now we're going to draw him a little bit more. I want to give him some big eyes. You know, it's Halloween, so it's time to draw spooky stuff like bats. I always liked bats. I used to live down in Texas, and down in Austin, there's this cool thing. It's like the bats under the bridge, and there's something like 2,000 bats live down there. And they come out every night at sunset. It's pretty cool to see. You go down, there's a little park right there, right as the sun sets. They just come out like it's just crazy. Here we're drawing little ears. Give him a cute little, I'm going to give him a little heart nose. A little mouth, I'll give him a little fang. We'll fill this in down here. Looking pretty good so far. Little furry cheeks. Bats are hairy, you know, so that's what they are. He's flying in the sky. They have amazing hearing. We'll give him wings. Or they're kind of like his arms, right? Look at his little fingers. Draw his body. Little feet, his little triangles, and little feet down here. Woo! He's like a little crazy flying. And then we'll give some, make the wings connect down. He's flying at night. And we'll get it, but like I want this one to have a little bit of a scene, so it'll have like a moon over here. But I like the fall, I like the cold, I like all the spooky Halloween stuff. That's why we're gonna start drawing Halloween stuff. So we're gonna make the sky look like it's full of bats. You know, I'm gonna draw a different kind of little bat. We're gonna draw like a little bird, right? That's how you draw little birds flying in the sky. But then we're going to give it little bat wings down below. Almost like the Batman logo. But yeah, I like Halloween. I like the spooky seasons. I like drawing all the spooky stuff. We'll draw one more little bigger bat. We'll give him pointy ears. You can fill the sky up with like a million little bats if you want. As many bats as you would like. Alright, there he is. Cute bat, but today we're going to color it in. Before we color this bat, I wanted to let you know, if you like drawing other animals, check out this How to Draw an Octopus video. It's pretty fun. Alright, let's color in this bat. Alright, we're going to use colored pencils today. Got a whole bunch of color pencils here. I'm going to start with the blue, with the light purple. Being outside at night, out near trees and stuff, you see lots of bats flying around in the spring, catching bugs. You're like, oh, what's a bird doing out at night? Oh, it's a bat. I find that pretty fun. It's a little creepy, but fun. It was more, as I guess it was more surprising. All right, so here our little bat is now purple. And then I'm going to use pink. I'll make his nose pink. They normally have pink noses. Tongue, pink. And we'll make his wings pink. Look at this. Ears, pink. All right, that's real light, so we're going to use a darker blue, or darker purple, I mean. Give him some more. So you remember you can put colors on top of other colors. I can leave a little area around the mouth to be lighter. I want that to be even a little darker, so I'm going to use a blue on the purple. The blue will make it look darker. I'll put some blue on there like that. Of course, you can make your bat any color you would like to make your bat. Doesn't have to be purple. I guess a big fan of purple. Purple is my favorite color. Did you know that? It's true. When I was a kid, I had like purple socks. Back in the day, it was hard to find purple socks, so my mom had to like really go out and hunt. I want the eyes to be even darker. He's got the little highlight in his eye for the sparkles. You know I like sparkles in eyes. Makes them look so cute. Pink, more pink on the nose. And we're gonna give this more. He's got those big ears. That's how they hear. I realize they're kind of blind, but I like drawing big eyes in characters, so my bat can see. He's kind of more like a cartoon bat. I like drawing cartoons. What cartoons do you like to draw? I like drawing cartoons all day long. That's what I do for my job. I work on a Disney Junior show where I'm drawing cartoons all day, which is pretty fun. Moons at night in the fall are nice and yellow. All right. There's a spooky little cute Halloween bat. Ooh! Ooh! He's gonna fly past. It's like animation. There you go. Cute Halloween bat. Yay! All right, so this is my bat. I'm really happy with how he came out. I like his big head, his little body, big ears, big eyes. I like how the purples all kind of go together. I like pink and purple together with a little bit of yellow from the moon. Like the sketchy lines, I think give it a lot of energy. So I'm really happy with this. So let me know how your bat came out. I'd really like to see it. Before you go, make sure you check out some of my other drawing fun videos. And I hope by seeing this bat, you were inspired to pick up a pencil and get drawing. I think everyone can be drawing. And thanks for watching. Time for a bug burrito. Whee!